I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials, RSL Helper installed and a minimal config. JSON in your project. Run RSL init from the project root to generate local state and authenticate. Once done, verify the CLI shows your workspace ID so commands target the right environment. Make sure your API key has red/right scope, otherwise actions will fail. Now you're ready to create or link resources quickly, and you'll see why keeping names consistent saves time later when automating tasks. You now configure templates and run tasks. Edit your template to include variables and reference them via env or config. JSON, this avoids hardcoding secrets. Run RSL validate to catch syntax errors, then RSL plan to inspect changes. Use dry run to preview without side effects. Once the plan looks good, run RSL apply file to perform changes. Make sure to review diffs. Incremental operations reduce risk. By validating first, you prevent common runtime failures and speed up repeatable deployments. You complete the flow by verifying outcomes and preparing recovery steps. After apply, run RSL status to confirm resources are healthy and check RSL logs for errors. If something went wrong, use RSL rollback with a recent snapshot to revert quickly. For permission or auth failures, rotate the API key, update config. JSON, and rerun RSL init to refresh credentials. Make sure to document the exact command that caused the issue so you can reproduce and fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.